Let's make a simple cabbage stew today, with pork. You will need white cabbage, pork, onion, flour, caraway, pepper, marjoram, salt, and lard, or frying oil. Peel and dice an onion. Fry the diced onion in lard, or in frying oil, until it turns brown. While the onion is frying, peel 5 cloves of garlic, and slice them. Add the sliced garlic to the frying pan. Add 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed mixed peppercorns. Fry everything together, very gently, just for a few seconds. Add 500 grams of stir-fry pork. Fry the onions with the meat for about 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Cover the meat in boiling water. Simmer the stew for about 40 minutes, or until the meat is tender. While the stew is boiling, cut 500 grams of white cabbage into smaller pieces. Boil the cabbage in water, in a separate pan, for about 10 minutes. Next, take some of the liquid out of the pan with pork in. Mix the liquid with 3 tablespoons of plain, all-purpose flour. Add the mixture back into the pan, and stir everything well. The stew will start to thicken. Add the boiled cabbage. Cook everything together for about 15 minutes, stirring the stew occasionally. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of dried marjoram, and boil the stew for another minute. Serve the stew with a piece of bread, or with boiled potatoes. You can sprinkle crushed peppercorns over the top,